check out this playset that I was given so I could give you guys a review. I absolutely love it. They made assembly super easy. They labeled the parts A and B. Everything is plastic and chunky. There aren't any screws that are traditional or anything that is difficult. You can literally assemble this just in minutes using your hands. Everything is so simple to be able to assemble, and the instructions were really easy. So this would also be something that you could break down if you wanted to. I love that this is something that you could do indoor or outdoor. It comes with a slide, a tunnel, the steps, the little walkway. There's so much to be able to do and see and play with on this amazing indoor-outdoor playground. We put it together for my toddler and she absolutely loves it. She can't get enough of it, from the steering wheel to the basketball hoop to this really cool little dry erase board and pretending that she is a little pirate on a discovery. We play with this all the time. We've moved it from our living room to our playroom, and we will put it out in our backyard. We absolutely have enjoyed playing with it, and all of our friends come over to also play with it as well. There is a little area at the bottom that you could even store some toys in. It does come with a basketball that you can inflate, and it is just so cute. The quality is amazing. I would absolutely recommend checking this out. We have loved playing with it.